The following is an excerpt from the 2023-2024 budget presentation by Prime Minister the Most Honourable Andrew Holness.
To support the public transportation sector, the government will be implementing the following. 1. Cutting of renewal fees for route taxis, hackney carriage, rural stage carriage, and contract carriers of public passenger vehicles by 30% for a period of 1 year. Madam Speaker, this could amount to as much as a $5,000 reduction in some fees. This incentive is given to allow operators to regularize themselves and avoid tickets. During this period, the Ministry of Transport and Mining has been directed to establish and update their database of operators. Madam Speaker, it's important that while over 9,000 operators were able to benefit from the CARE program to the tune of approximately $300 million, too many operators were not able to access the program for a variety of reasons, including lack of registration or incomplete registration with the relevant authority at the relevant time. The second thing we will do is to improve the quality of service, behavior, and awareness of our drivers. We will be introducing a short course for all public passenger vehicle drivers to be administered by the Island Traffic Authority in collaboration with the Heart Trust NSTA. Drivers will be invited to register for the course focused on the new Road Traffic Act, defensive and courteous driving techniques, maintenance and sanitation procedures for vehicles, assistance with establishing bank accounts and digital wallets, and the use of digital payment technologies. All drivers who register and complete the course will be formally certified, and they will receive a $25,000 grant from the government of Jamaica. Madam Speaker, specifically for motorcycle riders, we will be making 10,000 helmets available free of cost. Last year, the government announced a special loan window for transport operators to refleet or upgrade their vehicles. Madam Speaker, it wasn't taken up. Again, you know, the taxi industry, Madam Speaker, the informal nature of some of the arrangements makes it difficult when they have to interface with formal banking systems. So, Madam Speaker, we're recrafting the loan. We're looking at the parameters for access, but we are adding a new parameter. And what we're saying is, Madam Speaker, we will give preferential terms for persons who would like to change their current vehicle or motorcycle to an electric vehicle or motorcycle. Madam Speaker, our preliminary analysis is showing that electric vehicles could be far more efficient on certain routes than combustion engines. So, Madam Speaker, you know, if you have a route taxi, for example, and you're doing a round-town route, that's perfect for an electric vehicle. The NWA has been directed to collaborate with the Ministry of Transport to assess the adequacy of parking, loading bays, and approved stops in urban areas and townships and along all approved routes. The NWA, however, will prepare a specific budget for high-use and critical loading areas and parking areas to be funded in the next budget. Madam Speaker, we want to transform public transportation in Jamaica. The above measures, along with the 100 electric buses announced last week, is a significant seed in the transformation.